Hello, my dear English learner. Welcome back. I hope all are doing well. This video is very interesting, so please watch till the end. This topic is now how to improve your communication skill by watching movies and web series. So let's begin without any delay. Hi, I am Sushil. You watching Mr. Sushil. Now the generation is completely changed day by day internet changing on your life also. So many people is using mobile phones and social media also, and 80% to 90% people are using with the wrong way, and 10% people utilize in good way. Use your time positively, don't waste your time, because time is very important. Time not comes in your life again, so time is a vital part in our life also. So let's begin how to improve my communication skill and English speaking skill by watching movies. So friends, that is the almost nowadays at the almost every people are taking phones also. I have some mobile phones and laptops and TVs also. So you utilize the proper way. Then how to utilize? Watching some movies, like those movies are in English, you watch these movies and watch with subtitles, because those are some movies also are providing a talking too fast and quickly also, but a American accents also, British accent also, so you little bit difficult to understand the words. That's why I am recommend you, please watch with the subtitles. The benefit of watching the subtitles, because those are a talking and you are listen and you understand, you watching with these subtitles, you easily recognize and easily understand. That is very easy, not a big task. You can open your mobile phone and YouTube channel and search him what are the English stories, the English web series, what are the best English movies, and in your front view 1000 plus videos available. They can choose them on your favorite, they can watch them. It's at a time two benefits, you watching and enjoy also, and learn English also, and improve your communication English also. That is a very good thing. Always use your time like two benefits. I'm enjoy also and watching also, and improve my communication also, and learn some and gain some knowledge also. Many more movies available and many more web series are available on your front of you on your mobiles also. Then choose them on your favorite choose and watch them. As continuously you watch 30 days or 21 days, I'll guarantee 80% improve your communication skill also by watching movies. And watch movies. Okay, remember one thing, whenever you're beginners watching movies or watching web series, are many more words are comes that you not understand also, that you know what are the meaning also, but don't worry, those were not meaning. Pause this video and write down this vocabulary, and copy this Google and searching what are the meaning also, and try to use English to English dictionary. What are the benefit of English to English dictionary? What are the means and what are the vocabulary and what are the means? You easily all are in English. You improve also acquainted with them and recognize yourself and easily understand also. You can take this challenge at least 21 days to 30 days. I'll guarantee able to speak English fluently and confidently. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then really helpful. Please subscribe my channel. Take care yourself. Thank you.